without any kind of technically I could stop this stream right now. This is the resistance, this is the support.
Hi guys, it's Paul from Team Safehouse once again with another episode of Coffee with George. And if you want to join us for our next Public SITREP, be sure to clock in every Monday, 8 a.m. UTC, and it's free forever on YouTube. Let's roll the disclaimer.
Obviously, I'm not going to stop here, and I would like to go more in depth. The main trading idea is the same because we are at the same place, right? So we do have the point of control holding as resistance, holding the price down for the moment. So obviously in this area, the only trade that I would take is a short or no trade. The only problem that I have with this short, I don't have a very good trigger for this trade. So usually on Monday, I'm waiting for NY Open. NY Open is maybe the most important session of the day, and usually it brings some volatility for the day or maybe for the entire week. So compared with this one, this is kind of a change in behavior. This is resistance, and resistance is resistance until proven otherwise. So this is the situation that we do have right now. Other than that, we do have some other ranges which are very important in this kind of situation. So pay attention to this range. So this range is basically the entire price action below the point of control of the bigger range. So since the point of control was lost here, this is giving the possibility of a new range. And why is this important? Well, first of all, maybe not necessarily in this section of the chart, but here we can clearly see that the value area high of this range is resistance. Once again, it is resistance. Then we do have the breakout, the backtest. Price is creating liquidity, another backtest taking the liquidity, and then the price pushes to the upside, back to the point of control of the bigger range. We can say that the entire week, the price was trapped between the point of control of the bigger range and the value area high of the local range. So when you see something like this, this is a very good range to trade. And still, this gives you a 2.5%. That is very good for scalping and day trading. And now, as a trader, you need scenarios on the chart. You need a bullish scenario, you need a bearish scenario, and most important, you need levels. As long as the price is below this level, I would treat this level as resistance. As long as the price is above this level, I would treat this level as support. Any kind of bigger move should be based on claiming this level, the point of control, and that opens the possibility for the next important level on the chart, which is the value area high, somewhere around 29,300 give or take area. If we see another rejection here and the price moves once again to this area and the value area high of the smaller range will be lost and the price would get acceptance below this level, then the next important level to a downside is the point of control of this smaller range, followed by value area low of the bigger range and value area low of this local range, because nothing much happened. There is very clear resistance and very clear support, and now I'm just waiting for the next important move on the chart. But the price manages to claim this without getting a swing failure pattern here. We could get a swing failure pattern here, right? So this is another important level, kind of in between but still important. But if the price manages to claim this area and no swing failure pattern here, then the next important level should be the value area high of the bigger range, somewhere around 29,300 area, give or take. Or if the price manages to get acceptance below this level, below value area high of, let's say, the smaller range, then in that situation the price will get acceptance back into the value of this range, and then the most important level to the downside is first the point of control and also some liquidity in this area, followed by value area low of both local range and the bigger range. This is your trading plan for this week. There's not much to add to this. What we can add to this are more levels, and those levels will give us more confirmation, more confidence to actually to take a possible trade in that area. Now let's enable the horizontal.